Creating homemade toys with materials you have at home is not only a fun activity, but it also promotes creativity and recycling. First, we will take 2 CDs and wrap them with tape around the entire edge. This step is crucial to prevent sharp edges from causing any damage. Once the edges are well covered, we will cut off any excess tape to keep them clean and uniform. Then, we will take several wooden pallets and cut the rounded ends. We will use 3 pallets to form a triangle. With the help of hot silicone, we will glue the pallets on one of the CDs, making sure that the triangle is well centered and firm. Then, we will glue the other CD on the opposite end of the triangle, creating a solid structure. Next, we will take several elastic bands and cut them in half. We will tie a knot at each end of the bands to prevent them from sliding. These elastic bands will be crucial for the operation of the toy. We will insert the elastic bands through the center of the CD, leaving a part out so that we can insert a wooden stick. This stick will act as an axis around which the elastic bands will rotate. We will apply pressure and glue the edges of the stick with hot silicone to make sure that everything is well fixed. We will take a plastic lid and, with the help of a heater, we will make a hole in the center. This will allow the elastic bands to pass through the lid without any problems. We will apply silicone in the center of the CD and place the lid on top, making sure that it is well attached. Then, we will pass the elastic bands through the hole in the lid and use a pencil to roll up the bands. We will turn the pencil until the elastic bands are very tense, creating a torsion force that will allow the toy to work properly. And that's it. You already have a homemade toy made with materials you had at home. This toy is not only fun, but it is also an excellent way to spend quality time with your loved ones. In addition, it promotes creativity and the use of manual skills. Now you can enjoy this simple but entertaining toy with your loved ones, remembering the moments of your childhood and creating new memories together. Building homemade toys offers multiple benefits. It not only promotes creativity and manual skill, but it is also a way of recycling materials that would otherwise be discarded.